All right, future Ontario homeowners, welcome. Buying your first home is a huge deal. It is probably the biggest investment you will make. But guess what? It is also super exciting. You are about to create a space that is all yours. This guide is your new best friend. We are going to break down mortgage basics. No confusing jargon, I promise, just simple, clear steps for you. My goal is to empower you with knowledge, so you can make confident choices. Let's make your homeownership dream a reality. We are focusing on what you need now, in 2025. The market is always changing, right? So up-to-date info is key. Think of this as your financial toolkit. So, are you ready to dive in? Your dream home in Ontario is waiting. With the right knowledge, it is not a long road. Your journey to homeownership starts now. Let's talk about the Ontario housing market in 2025. Prices can vary a lot. It depends on where you want to live. The Greater Toronto Area, or GTA, is its own beast, but opportunities are everywhere if you look. Do your homework for your specific area. In the GTA, many detached homes are over $1.2 million. Condos might average around $700,000. In cities like Ottawa or Hamilton, prices might be lower, perhaps averaging $650,000 to $850,000 for a house. These are just examples, folks. Check local listings. Now let's chat about interest rates for 2025. Expect rates to be moderate. Fixed rates could be hovering around 4.5% to 5.5%. Variable rates might be slightly different, maybe similar. Even a small change in interest rates matters. It impacts your monthly mortgage payment. So, planning is absolutely key here. Being prepared is your best strategy. What exactly is a down payment? It is the cash you pay up front for your home. This amount is paid when you close the deal. A down payment shows lenders you are serious. It reduces their risk, which is good for you. In Ontario, minimum down payments are tiered. For homes up to $500,000, it is 5% down. For homes between $500,000 and $1.5 million, it is 10% on the portion above $500,000. For homes over $1.5 million, it is 20% down. How do you save up that big chunk of change? There are smart ways to do it. The RRSP Homebuyers Plan is fantastic. You can withdraw from your RRSPs tax-free. TFSAs are also great for saving. Growth and withdrawals are tax-free. Gifts from immediate family can also work. Just make sure it is properly documented. A larger down payment has many perks. If you put down 20% or more, you avoid CMHC insurance. It also means a smaller mortgage loan. Saving more now can save you a lot later. The mortgage pre-approval, your key to a successful home hunt. So, why is getting pre-approved so important? Well, think of it as your golden ticket. It is a conditional commitment from a lender. This tells you exactly how much house you can afford. Plus, it shows sellers you are a serious buyer. Lenders will look closely at your finances. It is thorough, but absolutely worth doing early. It sets realistic expectations from the start. Choosing your mortgage partner, banks, brokers, and beyond. Alright, let's talk about where to get your mortgage. You have got several options out there. It is not a one-size-fits-all situation, folks. Each type of lender has its pros and cons. Your job is to do a little homework, compare your choices, and find the best fit for you. This decision can save you thousands over time. First up, the big banks or A-lenders. They offer a wide range of mortgage products and other financial services. If you have a strong credit score and stable income, they can be a good option for you. Next, consider credit unions and mortgage brokers. Credit unions are member-owned, often community-focused. Mortgage brokers are independent professionals. They shop around to find you the best deal, saving you time and potentially money. What about B lenders and private lenders? These are for borrowers in unique situations. Use B lenders and private lenders cautiously. Understanding your mortgage deal. Terms, rates, and flexibility. Let's decode your mortgage contract. First, the mortgage term. This is important. It is not the same as the amortization period. The term is the length of time your contract is in effect, including your interest rate and conditions. Terms usually range from 1 to 10 years, with the 5-year term being the most popular. Now, fixed versus variable interest rates. A fixed-rate mortgage means your rate is locked in and stays the same for the entire term. A variable rate mortgage fluctuates with the market. What about the amortization period? This is the total time it will take to repay your mortgage. Although the 25-year amortization period is the most common, first-time buyers are now eligible to purchase new builds including condos with less than 20% down payment. Finally, prepayment privileges. These are golden. They allow you to pay off your mortgage faster without incurring a penalty. Always check the fine print for prepayment rules. Protecting your dream insurance, approval tips, and final wisdom. Let's talk about mortgage default insurance, sometimes called CMHC insurance. If your down payment is less than 20% of the home price, you are required to have this insurance. It protects the lender, not you, if you default. Aim for 20% down to avoid this if you can. Remember, the amount of your mortgage default insurance premium isn't based on your mortgage rate. Instead, it's calculated based on a percentage of the principal amount of your loan. There is other important insurance to consider. Home insurance is mandatory. Lenders require it. It covers your property and contents against things like fire, theft, and other damage. Then there is mortgage, life, and disability insurance. Lenders often offer this. It pays off your mortgage if you die or become disabled. Want some tips to boost your approval chances? First, work on that credit score. Pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low. Stable employment and income are very attractive to lenders. And as we said, save for the largest down payment possible. Understanding mortgages is crucial for success. Now go make that dream happen. Sign up to this channel for new exciting videos to follow.